If you're looking to extract supplier pricing data effortlessly, Browse AI can help you automate the entire process. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Browse AI to get supplier pricing data quickly and efficiently, no coding required. Whether you're comparing products, doing market research, or just trying to keep an eye on competitor prices, this tool has you covered. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the exclusive link below to grab Browse AI for free, with additional bonuses that you can't find anywhere else. Now let's get started. First, Browse AI is a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to automate data extraction from websites. It's built for anyone looking to gather valuable information from online sources without the need for complex coding or manual scraping. So, when it comes to extracting supplier pricing data, Browse AI can save you hours of work and frustration. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is create an account on Browse AI. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can start creating your own robots. These robots are the automated workflows that go to specific supplier websites and extract the pricing data for you. Let's walk through setting up a simple robot. Click the Create a New Robot button and enter the URL of the supplier's website from which you want to extract pricing data. Then, Browse AI's AI-powered system will load the page and help you select the elements you want to extract. For example, you can select the product names, prices, and even descriptions if needed. Once the elements are selected, Browse AI uses its advanced image recognition and automation to track those parts of the website and retrieve them for you. No need for manual updates. Browse AI will handle all of that automatically. This is one of the reasons it's such a time saver. After you've set your robot, you can schedule it to run periodically. This way, it will keep gathering updated supplier pricing data for you at regular intervals. You don't have to manually rerun the extraction every time you need new data. Browse AI does the hard work behind the scenes. If you need to extract data from multiple suppliers or multiple pages, it's just as simple. Browse AI lets you scale up your data extraction with ease. All you have to do is create more robots, each pointing to a different page or supplier, and you're good to go. The platform can handle as many robots as you need to keep up with all the suppliers you're tracking. What really sets Browse AI apart from other tools is its ability to handle dynamic websites and complex data extraction tasks. Some websites are tricky to scrape, with constantly changing elements or intricate navigation. But Browse AI is built to adapt, so you won't run into issues even with these tougher sites. Plus, its user-friendly interface means you won't need to be a developer to get the data you need. Whether you're tracking competitor pricing or analyzing market trends, Browse AI is perfect for e-commerce businesses, suppliers, or anyone involved in product sourcing. And as mentioned earlier, you can get started for free through the link below. Plus, I've got an exclusive extended trial offer to give you extra time to explore all the features. By using Browse AI to extract supplier pricing data, you can stay ahead of the competition, make data-driven decisions, and focus on scaling your business. No more manual data entry or scraping, it's all done for you. So remember, grab your free trial from the first link below and take advantage of all the extra bonuses you won't find anywhere else. You can start extracting supplier pricing data in minutes and make better, faster decisions for your business.